Hello and hi friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving 1% family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me, and after making notes later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story, turning failures into stepping stones. So now let's go! In a bustling city there lived a young man named Henry who dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur. From a young age, Henry had a natural knack for coming up with innovative ideas, and he was determined to make a mark in the business world. With enthusiasm and hope, he launched his first startup, pouring all his savings and energy into it. However, despite his hard work and passion, the business failed. The product didn't sell, and Henry found himself in deep debt. His friends and family advised him to give up and find a stable job, but Henry was not ready to abandon his dreams. He took a deep breath and decided to learn from his mistake. Undeterred, Henry started his second venture. This time he was more conscious, having learned valuable lessons from his first failure. He conducted thorough market research and sought advice from experienced mentors. Despite his efforts, second business also failed. It was another crushing blow, and Henry felt the weight of his repeated failure bearing down on him. One evening, as Henry sat alone in a park, contemplating his future, an elderly man approached him and struck up a conversation. Henry poured out his frustrations and disappointments. The old man listened impatiently and then shared his own story of countless failures before finally achieving success. He told Henry, failures are not the end, but the stepping stone to success. Each failure teaches you something invaluable. Don't give up. Inspired by the old man's words, Henry decided to try again. He started a new business, focusing a niche market that he was passionate about. He meticulously analyzed his past mistakes and identified areas for the improvement. This time his hard work paid off. The business began to grow steadily, attracting customers and investors alike. Years later, Henry's company became a thriving enterprise, known for its innovative products and exceptional services. He often shared his journey with aspiring entrepreneurs, emphasizing the importance of perseverance and learning from failures. Henry's story became a beacon of hope, proving that success is often built on the foundation of the past failures. In last, moral of the story is failures are not the end, but they are the stepping stone to success. Henry's story teaches us that the perseverance, learning from mistakes, and maintaining a positive attitude are crucial in achieving our dreams. Each failure provides valuable lessons that bring us closer to our goals, and with determination, even the most daunting setback can lead to extraordinary achievements. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I am your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
Sometimes you feel weak. The fear you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it up. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever